Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can play multiplayer in your game Super Bear Adventure. First, you need to find a computer in your world. Once you do this, just press B in front of it, and it will load into the multiplayer mode menu. Just here, you have to click on Create New Party, and once it loads, what you need to do is you have to see this invite code and make sure you copy it correctly. Once you do this, just give this code to your friend and tell your friend to do the same. Just go over to the computer and press B in front of it and then click on join party. Once he does this, you have to tell him the code and he will enter the code. Once you do this, he will join your party. So yes, this is how you can do it, guys. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.